I am so excited about the new edition of Renovation of the Heart being released. I can remember when I first read this incredible work by Dallas Willard as a 20-something pastor in Brooklyn. And it gave language to so many questions that I had as a pastor that I didn't yet have the language for. Mainly, how do people change? I was a pastor trying to navigate questions of the soul, and yet didn't really have language for how do I actually believe people change over the course of time. And this not only articulated that important question for me, but then gave me language for understanding these massive biblical concepts like conviction and transformation, and gave language that helped me to understand what actually happens in an individual and what is the process by which those things are accomplished over the course of time. And so Dallas's book gave me hope that real lasting change could actually happen within me and within those that I was leading. And secondly, it gave me language and a model to begin working toward that true and lasting transformation. And I have repeated things from this book in sermon after sermon after sermon, and I'm sure so many other leaders have, because it's given such helpful language to the people that I lead. So cannot wait to read the new edition, and I'm really honored to be a part of celebrating it.